Hey signers, did you know that there are nearly 1,000 different types of occupations? And that doesn't even include all the extra titles we have to add to these jobs. Now don't worry, this video isn't covering all of them, but we are teaching 100 of the most popular job signs, split into 2 parts. Can you learn them all in one sitting? Probably not, but that's okay. Come back often to review and practice. Now let's learn how to sign jobs in ASL. In this video, we are going to be focusing on signs having to do with medical, technology, science, and skilled trades. First, let's focus on medical and healthcare signs. Doctor or doctor. It's a flat hand touching your wrist or a D hand. Doctor, doctor. Nurse, nurse. You have a flat N like checking a pulse. Nurse. Pharmacist, pharmacist. Medicine, person. Pharmacist. Optometrist or optometrist. Both are pointing to the eyes and then doctor or doctor. Optometrist, optometrist. Dentist or dentist. It's a sign teeth, person, or a fist bringing it up to your cheek where your teeth are. Dentist, dentist. Paramedic is emergency medical person. Paramedic. EMT is fingerspelled. EMT. Physical therapist. Physical therapist. Body helper. A physical therapist. Speech therapist or speech pathologist. Speech as in oral speaking and then helper. And you also might see therapist with a T and the agent marker. Speech therapist or speech pathologist. Occupational therapist or occupational therapist. Work, help with agent marker or a T initialized with the agent marker. And you also could see it abbreviated OT, an occupational therapist. Occupational therapist, occupational therapist. Dental assistant. Dental assistant. The sign dentist, and then to assist, you might also see assistant like this. Dental assistant. Medical assistant or medical assistant. The sign medicine with assistants and A's or one with the dominant hand as the L. Medical assistant, medical assistant. Surgeon, surgeon. It's surgery with the agent marker. Surgeon. Chiropractor, chiropractor. It's like adjusting person. Chiropractor. Now for signs about science and research careers. Scientist, scientist. Science, person. Scientist. Biologist, biologist. Biology with the agent marker. Biologist. Chemist, chemist. Chemistry, chemical, person. Chemist. Physicist, physicist. Physics, person. Physicist. Mathematician, mathematician. The sign math with the agent marker. Mathematician. Economist, economist. Economy, person. Economist. Meteorologist uses the combination of weather with the agent marker. Meteorologist. This section is going to be about technology and computer careers. Computer programmer or computer programmer. Computer or computer and the sign program with agent marker. Computer programmer or computer programmer. 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 Program with the agent marker. Programmer. Web developer. Web developer. Web, www, and then develop with the agent marker. Web developer. Software engineer. Software engineer. Software, SW, and engineer. Software engineer. Analyst. Analyst. The sign analyze with the agent marker. Analyst. Engineer. Engineer. It's like you're measuring with the agent marker. Engineer. Now let's learn signs for skilled trades and construction careers. Mechanic. Mechanic. Think of a wrench with the agent marker, a person. Mechanic. Welder. Welder. The sign to weld with the agent marker. Welder. Plumber. Plumber. It's like a wrench person. Plumber. Electrician. Electrician. Electricity with the agent marker. Electrician. Carpenter or carpenter. You're grinding or shaving the wood, person, or wood person. Carpenter, carpenter. Contractor, contractor. It's the contract being signed with the agent marker. Contractor. Construction worker or construction worker. Construction as in improving or to build with work person. Construction worker or construction worker. Repairman or a fixer. The sign to fix with the agent marker. Repairman or fixer. Technician. Technician. Technology with the person, the agent marker. Technician. This section is about transportation and logistics. Pilot. Pilot. You have the plane with the agent marker. Pilot. Truck driver. As in a semi-truck driver. You're doing the sign semi-truck and you're going to show the big wheel driving it with the agent marker. Truck driver, semi-truck driver. Delivery driver. Delivery driver. It's bringing, delivering, driver. Delivery driver. Flight attendant. Flight attendant. You're showing the airplane flying and then serve with the agent marker. Flight attendant. Now signs for agriculture and animal care. Farmer. Farmer. The sign farm with the agent marker. Farmer. Rancher. Rancher. It's the sign farm, but initialized with an R and the agent marker. Rancher. Fisherman. Fisherman. It's like you're fishing, person. Fisherman. Zoo keeper. Zoo keeper. You fingerspell zoo and then keeper. Zoo keeper. Nice work, signers. You've just learned a whole list of popular job signs. Now, that's just the beginning. If you didn't see the job you were looking for, don't worry. Part 2 is packed with even more. So when you're ready, head over and keep learning. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.